Hey everybody. So I'm back. I know I look kind of ghostly right now, but I pretty much just went ahead and put on my foundation and primer and stuff, and I can show you what I use. As always, I use my Super Stay by Maybelline as my foundation in the color 356. For my primer today, I tried something different. I actually tried the Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer Moisturizer, and this is from First Aid Beauty. And it actually feels pretty good on my face. And then I went ahead and baked and highlighted. And today I baked with my Makeup Revolution in the color C12. Look, on the camera. Okay. Yeah. And then I also highlighted with this, and I baked with the actual banana powder by them. So pretty much I'm just going to do a talk, get ready with me type thing today. And I'm just pretty much going to use my favorite palette, which is the Morphe 35o2. Just something light and airy. Won't be looking at the camera much because I don't have on my contacts, but I'm still going to talk. We're still going to get there, you know. Look past my ghostliness and just follow along with me. All right, you guys. So I'm first going to go in with my brow bone highlight. And the color that I'm going to use today is Pure out of my 3502 palette. I'm going to use this as my brow bone highlight. I just think that's the prettiest color to use for a brow bone highlight. So I'm going to use my Real Techniques detail brush. And it looks like this. You know. And I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. All right, so for starters, I know a lot of you is like, who is this girl? Well, hi, my name is Breka Monique. You know, I am a good old Southern Georgia girl. You know, not too much special to tell. I love everything from makeup to fashion. You know, just pretty much anything. I specialize in a lot of things good. But growing up, I have always been that girl who was different. Have been a lover of Prince all my life. That was supposed to be my husband. I the only girl out of 3 kids. So shout outs to my older brothers. I love y'all. Next I'm gonna go in with this Essence Eye Blender brush. And I'm going to take the color Brick, which is this beautiful burnt orange right here. Just go in with that. But yeah, so ever since I started my YouTube channel, I only have 3 videos, but everybody I know has been asking me, Breka, what made you, you know, start getting into makeup? Like, what about makeup drew you into it? And honestly, I just got to thank my mama for that. Because if you know my mom, she is always on point. I mean, her face is always on point. Her clothes are always on point. She just loved to stay fashionable and pretty. And then I have always like took into, you know, planning her makeup and stuff. And she has never had a problem with it, honestly. I thank God for my mom was so pretty. I want to be like her, you know. So when I finally did get into makeup, you know, she was a great help because she actually, you know, went to the store with me, let me know what this is for, what that is for, yada, yada, yada. And I think I was around, shoot, I was planning her makeup, age 12-ish. And she went with me to the store to buy my first makeup purchase at like age 17. Yeah, I have to credit all this to my mom. I really took up like actually wanting to get heavily into makeup, you know, when I went to college. You know, going to parties and stuff, you see all the other girls, they're pretty, got on their little eyeshadow and it matched their clothes and their bangles and this and that and the other. And I'm just sitting there looking like a drawn out pigeon or something, you know, my outfits. So I was like, you know what? Your girl finna buy some makeup. And your girl finna be cute. And that's exactly what I did. You know, I went to college for accounting and business administration. Then I went back for marketing. This right here was not in my forte. You know, I'm a girl who loves math. I love figuring things out, so to say. And I don't know. I never thought about making beauty a career, but I love to talk. I love to explain stuff. And I love just to be helpful. And when I finally did start getting into makeup, you know, I told CJ that honestly, the reason why I started up as heavily as I am now is because I really wanted to help people. You know, there are so many people like burn victims and just women overall who has like low self-esteem and stuff. Like makeup can really help people. All right, guys. So the next color that I'm going to go in with is called Brave. And it's this beautiful like brick color. So I'm going to dab in that. All right, it's another question people ask me. What made me want to start a YouTube channel? Well, honestly, I watch YouTube a lot. And I actually watch people who have a career in the things that I love. People, you know, throwing out their business ideas and being successful. I love successful people because you decided on your own that you want to be successful and you led yourself down this path with the good help of the Lord. So, somebody there with you all the time and they see your passion and they're constantly telling you, you know, Breka, you need to use what you got. This is talent, you know. Why not do it? Sometimes you just really have to step out on faith. I don't care if I only have 20 followers for the next 10 years. Those 20 people encourage me and is giving me faith. You know, Breka, we're watching you, so your word is getting out there. Just keep going. I want to be heard, but I mostly want to be helpful. You know, one of the main purposes in life is to help others. And by helping others, there's no specific way to help others. Just help. You know what I mean? It's gonna make it. A lot of people also ask, like, well, are you gonna continue pushing forth with this makeup thing, or is it just like a high, so to say? Man, I don't know where this gonna lead me to, honestly. I pray to the good Lord above that it does lead me somewhere good. All right, so the next color I'm gonna go with is this brown color here, and it's called So Warm. So yeah, I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put that like in my outer corner area, like a dark brown. But yeah, I love makeup. I love trying to learn to love my natural hair. All you natural people, help me. Seriously, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I have been natural for about 5 years, I think. And I am that one natural person who don't know how to do their natural hair. And what I mean about that is I wear my natural hair in the same bun on top of my head. I'll straighten it and it'll stay straight for a day. A silk out only lasts maybe 2 weeks at the most if I stretch it. I just keep weaving my hair pretty much though. And I think I'm gonna actually start a channel on me learning to love my natural hair. Alright, so next I'm gonna use this Scone brush. This is a brush that I got in like my monthly Ipsy box bag or whatever. And this is a large shadow brush. And what I'm gonna do is I'm not doing anything that's gonna just, you know, stand out real bright and stuff. I just want something mellow. I'm just doing a nice clean face tonight. Not going anywhere, but I'm doing a nice clean face tonight. So I think I'm going to take a mixture of 2 different colors. I'm going to take this Zodiac and the polished color. Mix those 2 together and kind of put right here on the inner lid. Okay. She cute. I can definitely say this Morphe palette is pushing through. Look, this is really a good palette because starting out with makeup, you're pretty much going to use all of two colors, brown and orange. Transition shade is orange, and that brown is going to melt it down, or vice versa, you know. So this is a pretty good palette. I can definitely say that. Then I'm just going to make in with that, the brush that had the leftover, what color is it? This brush that had the leftover So Warm on it. Just gonna make in and blend it. If you need to add a little bit more, just get that had a little fallout on it or whatever. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go in with my my MAC Studio liquid liner, and I am also gonna go in with my NYX gel liner. I think I'm gonna use this first. So I need to hurry up before my face turns into dust with this powder on it. Okay, a little mini wing. Push through. Oh, oh. Spoke too soon. Let's see if I can get this other eye right, though. Alright, guys. So I now have on my mascara. I'm going to go ahead and go off camera at my lashes. Finish the rest of my face. And I'll be back with a more presentable look. Alright, babies. I am finally back. This is the finished look. Only thing I really did was go back in with my NYX liner, and this is in the color brown. I lined my lips with that, and then I went in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the color Hudson, and that's all for the lips. And then of course I went in and buffed my face out with all the powder. I gave myself a little structure when it comes to contouring, and for that I used my, of course, Black Radiance palette in medium to dark, and that's how that look if you never saw it. This palette would definitely come in handy, y'all, for everything. To bronze my face, I use The Balm Cosmetics Betty Luminizer. Betty Luminizer. And it's that cute, like, it's darker than what it shows up on camera, y'all. But again, I really just want to do this review again to show a different look with the same palette. Sorry, y'all, I don't have a real good angle on anything, but bad lighting purposes. But this is the finished look. I hope you all love it. Oh, my highlighter. I used the highlighter also out of this palette, but I also used my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, and it's the bomb, as you can tell. So again, thank y'all so much for this little get ready with me chit chat. I really hope you all enjoy the look. And if you would like to see me post anything different, if you want a more dark look, you want dark lips or something, just feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and hey, just talk to me, you know what I mean? So thank you all again so much for watching, and talk to you later. Bye.